ready to leave on my very first ever backpacking trip. Super excited, a little bit nervous, but it's a short one, so I'll be okay. I wanted to see how much my pack weighs. I'm going to measure the weight of my pack.
Big feet.
Oh, that's not seeing right. There it goes. Oh no. 34.2 pounds.
Now it's time for me to measure my boo-boo
I'm
bunny.
taking everything out. Oh my gosh, 34.2 pounds, and it doesn't even have all my water in it.
My turn.
It is
My
so
turn to
hot
measure
right
my
now.
baby.
How heavy is it supposed to be?
I want to measure my
I
baby.
think like 15% of my weight. No more, like at the very most 25% of my weight. I'm not gonna tell you what that is.
Mom.
But I just know 34 pounds sounds like a lot, regardless of what my weight is. But we're getting ready to go. I'm about to put on my trail runners, and I'm really excited.
Also, it makes sense to walk before you go out. Yeah.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start. I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on the side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling it's all
I'm on my very first backpacking trip. It's an 18-mile loop in southern Ohio, and we are about 2 miles in. We just took a lunch break, and I think we're all really happy to get our packs off our backs. There's my monster. I now know why they called it Monster on the Wild. I just wanted to do a quick check-in, and yeah, we've got about 7 more miles, then we're going to set up camp.
Rising sun hits the sky, see it open before us. Take these hopes, hold them high. Every step takes you closer. Oh, 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 oh. The stars will show us. Oh, 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 oh. It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows that we'll discover a story in the making. The world is ours for the taking.
Alright, according to this, we've hiked 2 miles. The parking lot's that way 2 miles. And we can either cut through that way or we can head on. And we are heading on, right? Everyone agree?
Yeah.
We are heading on.
You had my back since when we were standing on in the cul-de-sac. Riding the streets, pedals on our feet. The years always move so fast.
Alright, we are exploring a cool building. Little barn. You gotta go to the bathroom? There we go. I'm trying to figure out what this is. It's like a ground covering. So if you know what it is, comment below. It's really pretty. Whoa, look at that. Random truck in the middle of the woods.
Take a walk, tell yourself you're coming back a different human. Have a talk with yourself. Find out what you're doing. 'Cause I don't want to believe that you can't find some words of wisdom.
We are about halfway through,
Your heart,
and
make sure
we're doing some fun hills. Now I'm about to walk into a stick just to tell you guys about it. Heading back down. And we only have another mile and a half till quitting time. Whoop, whoop.
Now you're free, just to think about how to live on purpose. All you need is to know what your worth is. I don't want to believe that you can find some words of wisdom. So let your heart pour out and make sure that you listen.
We have decided to make camp. It is 7.2 miles in. Oh, it's 5:30 p.m. I am happy to be done with that hike. And now we are setting up the camp. I can talk by this really cool tree. I wish I could just like snuggle up in there. It looks cozy, but hard. There's my sleep setup, my tent, my pillow, my sleeping bag. Now it's time to eat.
I never wake up early, I only wake up late. I never need the sunshine,
Aw.
I only need the rain. I leave my coffee black, I leave the radio on, I leave it on a station where I don't have to sing along. Take me out of my skin so I can learn what's happening.
Night. I'm going to bed. It's like 9 o'clock. I'm a little bit scared, but I think I'll be good. See you guys tomorrow.
It is so cold. I barely slept last night. So tired. coffee, all the goodness of a fire and coffee. So tired, no sleep, so cold, sadness. Alright, I'm done belly aching. Sorry, guys. Everyone had to hear it. I was really hoping I wasn't going to need this, but nature called. We're all going to do it. And honestly, not the most traumatizing bathroom I've ever used.
You turn a puddle into oceans. You set the galaxies in motion.
We just packed up. We're all ready to go. Alright, we can do this. I'm excited, but nervous. Today we were supposed to do 9 miles yesterday, so we only did 7.2. So today it will be, sorry? 10.8, but we have all day. So, cheers.
You see the magic in a single flake of snow. You turn the sidewalk cracks to canyons. You are a fire-breathing dragon. You follow treasure maps into the wild unknown. I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure with you by my side. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes.
It's raining.
Right.
Thankfully, my pack came with a rain cover. It's raining. We checked the weather. It lied to us. We are at 16.2 miles. Only 1.8 to go. Super excited to be done with this, but I'm kind of sad to be leaving. And, yeah, we're almost done. About 1.8 miles to go, in theory. Give or take a 1/10 of a mile.
With you by my side.
This way, almost done.
'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes. You turn a moment to a memory. You are the medicine that God knows I need. I'm better every day I get to spend with you. You sing a song and I will listen. We'll make a dance floor in the kitchen. I can't believe the way your laughter fills the room. I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure.
I had no idea. Almost! You said almost done.
Awesome.
What?
I don't know, but there was a tick crawling on my hand.
When you fell.
Probably when I fell.
Oh, I'm glad you found it before it embedded.
Me
Whoa, that would have been bad.
With you by my side, 'cause I love to see the world through your eyes, through your eyes. This beautiful life comes into view through your eyes. I didn't see till I saw it with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure with you by my side. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes.
This is where it split at the very beginning. We went that way, which was counterclockwise, clockwise. We just came from over there. And now we are going to the trailhead. Now we'll get this.
It was summer. We were skipping rocks down by the river. My hot red heart was so on fire when I heard you laugh on the drive home. You let your hair blow out the window, closed your eyes and finally let go. Said it's a shame that nothing lasts. Oh, I wish it could be this simple forever. While we're young, our hearts are beating while we're young.
We did it! Woo! I'm so excited! 18 miles. We backpacked. We peed and pooped in the woods. We slept in the woods. It was primitive, and we did it. 18 miles.
You're just so scared of something, of being a silly girl. It's just so hard to dream and it's impossible.